Okay, here comes a big one. Should I hand this back to you? All right, friends, we got a swarm of bees. We're gonna put this swarm of bees into a beehive. Here we go. So cool. So cute. Flannery, check it out. Look at that. That's cool. So they decided that their hive was getting a little too crowded, and so they swarmed up into a tree, and now we're going to dump them into a new hive. So, hey Deb! Hey Deborah! You might just put them, you might just lay them near the hive and see, they may just walk right in. Otherwise we'll just give them a little shake. Sometimes they'll just walk right in, but what they're really waiting for is their queen to be like, this is cool. So right now they're all like clustered around the queen. So I'm just going to go ahead and give them a little jostle to shake them into this beehive. This is where it's going to get a little bit more crazy, but you should be okay where you are. Just know it's going to be more like a cloud of bees. Oh yeah, they went right down. So now, ideally, we got the queen in there. In case we didn't, I'm going to shake a little bit more. And then I'm going to put this branch right here, so they can let their fellows know that they have a new home. And you'll see they might start just making like a little parade. Now one thing I want to do while we've got time too is put some of this comb in there. And you'll see them start to settle down pretty quickly once they know their queen is here. So, and we'll be able to tell pretty soon if their queen is here too. Yeah, this looks pretty good. One thing I'm looking for is I'm looking to see them doing something called venting, where they kind of put their abdomens up in the air and let everyone know, yeah, they're doing it here. And they kind of flap their wings to show that that's the scent to follow, the scent trail to follow. Put one more in there. No, they're really calm at this point because they don't have a home to defend or anything. That's why I'm not wearing any protection or anything like that. In fact, I'm wearing a suit. All right.
Hey, Diane.
Hey. It looks really cool in here because you can see the shadow and the sea in the classroom.
I'm trying to encourage him to go this way. There we go. Do they know, like, where is the queen? Like, ideally, they're gonna let each other know the queen's like over here. So that's where the trail is gonna start. But we want to make sure that the queen didn't accidentally get over here too. So there's a little more snow actually. Oops. That wasn't really good. Now we should. Yeah, look at that. It's so awesome. Look at that. They're just like, this is my home. Come on in. Everybody follow me. Look at this. So as long as we got the queen in there somewhere. Oh, there she is. I see the queen. Ladies and gentlemen, queen spotted. Let me get her and make sure she gets in. Don't fly away, girl. Nope, no you don't. No you don't, girl. Nope, get in. Nope, 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 nope. Good God, go in, go in. No, 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 there. Go right in there. Yeah, there you go. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, that was close. You see her flying around?
Yeah.
Because she's in flying shape right now.
Mm-hmm.
So, wow, that's good. So we see the queen is in there now. It's entirely possible there's more than one queen, I guess, but depending on what stage of a swarm this is. But I think, yeah, that was cool.
Mm.
We got her in. We got her in. That was cool. That was really cool. Alright. So this is the time of the year. It's swarm season. This is actually the second swarm I caught today. And what that just means is that the hives that have survived the winter, they've been building up so much and they're getting a little crowded. And so they take off with their old queen to find a new home, and they leave young queens behind that will hatch out soon. We were lucky enough to catch them and then put them into a new hive because they're ready to build a new home. So they're going to be really excited. They're going to be building wax really quickly, hopefully starting to collect honey soon too. And so this should be a really strong hive ready to go. And that way we didn't lose all that massive bees from our bee yard. We put them right back in.